How to scan QR code on WhatsApp with another device. Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can scan WhatsApp QR code with another device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So if you're trying to log into your WhatsApp on the same device with a different phone, this is how you do it. The first thing you need to do is open up your WhatsApp and then head over to add an account. So you just want to head over to the settings menu first and then tap on this plus icon to add an account. And once you have done everything, just click on agree and continue. Then you have two options to enter your phone number or to enter with a QR code. So just tap on the top right corner to link as a companion device and it will generate a QR code. So what you need to do now is take a screenshot of it and send this to a different device on your phone. Or you can send it to your friend's phone as well. And once you have sent this, you just want to head over to your scanner on the main device. And now you're just going to go back to your chats. And on your main device, you are just going to link a device. Tap on the three lines and tap on linked devices. Now you're just going to tap on link a device and then verify. And after doing that, you can just scan the QR code like this. It's now saying couldn't link device. This is because the QR code has expired, but if you have set this immediately and scan it immediately, you will be able to log into your device with the QR code. That's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.